Wendy's is introducing a new automated drive-through system powered by Google's artificial intelligence software and trained to recognize and understand the many ways customers order from its menu. The company is said to launch the chatbot in June at one of its company-owned Columbus, Ohio restaurants. The goal is to make the ordering process more efficient and avoid long lines and turn customers away, said Wendy's chief executive Todd Peger. Wendy's software engineers have been collaborating with Google to create and perfect a generic AI app based on Google's own big language model, also known as LLM. LLM is a huge AI tool that's full of words, phrases, and popular words in different accents and dialects, and it's designed to pick up on and imitate the syntax and meaning of what people say. The personalized language model includes terms, phrases, and abbreviations that customers use when ordering Wendy's burgers, fries, and other items. For example, JBC stands for Junior Bacon Cheeseburger. Biggie bags refer to various combinations of burger, chicken, and soft drink items. Mr. Kurian noted that one of the most difficult challenges is the presence of a large amount of external noise in a vehicle, such as loud music or children playing in the back seat. The software must be able to filter out these sounds and concentrate on the individual making the order and the language they are speaking, a process which requires a great deal of refinement, he added. This is a complex technical issue. Kevin Vasconi, Chief Information Officer of Wendy's, has reported that test runs at their Columbus restaurant in recent months have been successful.